What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Thomas, and we are back out here on the porch prior to 6 a.m. so you can say we are fully back, boys. And today I got a pretty cool video for you guys, basically just showing off what I copped from the Palace Summer 2024 sale. It's not going to be the biggest unboxing video of all time. It's not going to be the smallest unboxing video of all time, but it will be one of the unboxings of all time. I can guarantee you that. So if you guys enjoy streetwear content, you like Supreme, you like Palace, you like other streetwear brands that you can name in the description down below, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. And let's get into this unboxing. And every time I'm unboxing a bag, I have to say, is it an unboxing or an unbagging? I think it's an unbagging, but unboxing has just become that word. Can you imagine driving a motorcycle that loud every day? It just seems like bad for your ears. Do you wear earplugs? I hope that guy does. Like noise canceling headphones, maybe. Here we go. Ah yes. Palace Triferg sticker, the all white, simple, their version of the box logo, right? I like it, it's very simple. Order confirmation. Wow. Item number one, right here is the Kawaii baseball jersey. You can already tell I'm wearing this pretty sick dragon shirt that I got at a flea market slash outdoor market, vintage clothing, outdoor night market is what it really was. And I think it's a little bit cooler than even the stuff I'm getting today from Palace, but here we go with the Kawaii jersey. As we always do, we'll do up close shots at the end, but pretty simple. On the front, it says Palace and this embroidered logo. It's got Paresu in katakana, Japanese, equipment P on the sleeve right there, on the right sleeve, and the left sleeve is just chilling. No number on the back, which this would be better with a number, maybe like a number 7. The Japanese and many cultures like the number 7, myself included. But yeah, was really pleasantly surprised with the Palace sale. I thought comparing it to the Supreme sale, it had a lot more items actually available in stock. And interestingly, Palace also includes items that were for sale before the Summer 24 collection. I was just checking some of the items, not just Spring 24 items, they had some Fall and Winter 23 items. Like, that's kind of interesting, right? I wish Supreme gave us maybe more of a selection of the items that were for sale, but at least we got an online sale for Summer 24. I know for a fact that's going to be a debate every single season going forward, and I don't know really if they intend on doing it long term, but nevertheless, let's get into the next item from Palace. This might be my favorite item, and I know it's insane, but we went with the Holy Grail baggies jeans. The SKU is P25T031, in case you were wondering. And these are a size 32. I know. They're a little bit gaudy. They're a little bit mental. And I don't even want to take them out of the package because they look so nice in there. But look at these things. These are the Palace baggies, dude. Oh my freaking god. Look how amazing they look. Let's get them out of the package. Fuck it. I don't give a shit. It's an unbagging video. You guys came here to see products. I'll show you products. Ooh. We got the Palace patch there on the rear butt. God damn, these are some bold jeans, man. I need a regular pair of Palace baggies. I think the 32s would fit me. I could try these on low-key and just see how they fit. I think I'm gonna do that because I really want to get an understanding if Palace 32 baggies actually look good on me. I know this is not a good outfit to wear these with, but we're gonna do it. All right, here we are with the Holy Grail baggies, and holy cow, they fit pretty good. Honestly, I had to grab a belt, but for a completely first time purchase of a Palace streetwear baggy pair of jeans, I was pleasantly surprised at how these guys fit. They're pretty baggy, but nothing too out of this world. I feel like these jeans in particular would be pretty difficult to style. I think a white t-shirt and really just muted colorways and styles would be the way to go. Definitely not with this dragon t-shirt right here, but that's okay. I really just wanted to try these on. And as always, we'll take a little gander at these items up close and personal. I still can't get over the detail work on this Holy Grail baggy jean. It's absolutely insane. I know the jersey was probably more sought after, given that a loud design like this is probably easier worn on the top half of your body. But when I saw these online for like $100, I really just couldn't pass. Like, the prices on this thing were too good to be true. It might have been like $120 or something, but these were originally like over $250, $290. They were insanely priced, and they were way down from that. Obviously, the Palace Flexi Blue Kawaii jersey is really clean. Like, it kind of has this Snickers inspired logo. A little bit of wrinkling there on the embroidery. That could definitely be taken out with an iron or something. That's a little bit annoying. Got the pas-de-dessus, and then on the sleeve we have the equipment right there. Boom. But overall, two pretty clean pieces in my opinion. Which one would you guys rather rock? The crazy Holy Grail jeans, which these are technically for sale. So if you want to get these, reach out to me in the comments down below or on Instagram or Twitter. Be happy to give you a good deal on that. Or the Palace Kawaii baseball jersey. Which one do you think you would rather take? The clean but kind of simple jersey, or the crazy religious inspired baggy Holy Grail babies? I mean, for me, it's a no-brainer. Holy Grails all day. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy Thomas, and I'm out. Peace and Buckies.